Sri Balaji Medical College Hospital has been established in 2003. It is almost 20 years old, and we are bestowed with God's grace about 2,000 students right now, comprising undergraduates, postgraduates, other certificates, fellowship people. A great opportunity has been bestowed on us to train the medical students in a highly atmosphere where they can learn, at the same time train themselves as a good doctor. And we not only teach and train, but also imbibe the culture of love and affection towards the patient. All said and done, patients are our masters, and they are coming with agony, anxiety, pain. That is very important to understand the psychology. Anybody can treat the patient, only doctors can give reassurance, hope, infuse confidence, make them happy. Our motto is not only teaching the clinical medicine, but also develop the great culture of a great relationship between patient and doctors. We have more than 20 operation theatres, and all the theatres are working all the times, even during emergency. We are teaching in all the wards. If anybody enter into our medical college, you can see only listening the teaching of our teachers to students. They enter the emergency ward, there's a teaching. You go to ward, there's a teaching. And not only that, we are regularly conducting the seminars, symposium, conferences, and in both national and international level. And regarding our sophistication of the equipments, with all the specialties, we have the top class equipments and infrastructure. No patient is denied of any treatment at any point of time. That is our motto. We are fully aware of the scientific knowledge. It is ongoing and accelerating. We have highly sophisticated scientific laboratory where international people come and train our students. We are right now having more than 15 students of PhD who are qualified doing the great research program. we are right now in the process of starting a new laboratory where stem cell program is going to be there. Our motto, rightly described in our books and our is aim, aspire and inspire. And regarding the publications, we have international standard journals are publishing our articles. We have so many citations, so many reprints have been available for the practitioners and doctors. Our whole motto is teaching, treating, give confidence for the doctors. And besides, we have yoga science teaching, sports medicine teaching, and we are not only training physically, mentally, psychologically. At any point of time, there are nearly 2,000 to 2,500 students are learning. We want to make the standard, they are making it as the international standard. We are living in a modern day and our culture is very high. It is a era of highly sophisticated technical teaching. In the same vein, we are starting our own YouTube channel to teach to our students, doctors, practitioners, and other people who are interested in medicine. And it is going to be a sort of another milestone where teaching is reaching the home. You don't want to come to hospital or college to learn something sophisticated. It is being rest on you, on your mind. You, all the students, nationally, internationally, should benefit of the teaching of our Balaji Medical College, which is attached to Bharat University. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Greetings to you all. This YouTube channel of Sri Balaji Medical College is a landmark in the milestone of college history. Sri Balaji Medical College started in the year 2003 with an annual intake of 100 students. The college has grown like a banyan tree, housing 250 students in a batch in MBBS and 500 postgraduates across various specialities. Medical education is nothing new in India, starting from the age of Shushruta. If you happen to visit Saraswati Mahal Library in Tanjavur, you will be amazed to see various books, collections from the period of King Safoji, and you will see a lot of ophthalmology procedures illustrated in various diagrams. Digital medical education is a necessary part of teaching learning process in the present day context. Students and teachers have to be digital all-rounders. As such, it is not an integral part of medical education, but an ideal method for teaching, as the attitude of the present generation students is more towards online learning. It provides mobile platform to access from anywhere. I wish and congratulate the faculty coordinator, Dr. Mary Anthony Prabha, and hope all the students and faculty will make use of this studio and the YouTube channel for an enhanced teaching learning process. I wish this effort a grand success. Thank you.
Good morning. Congratulations to the new YouTube channel of Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital. E-learning is the need of the hour which enables transfer of knowledge, skills and delivery of education is made to a large number of recipients at the same time or different times. This will be utilized by the students and faculties of Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital as an important teaching learning tool. Anytime in the campus or outside the campus, you can review your study materials and clarify all your doubts. This is a boon to students' education. Once again, congratulations and my best wishes to this YouTube channel. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to you all to the Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital YouTube channel. This new initiative by our institution is to provide digital content for the undergraduate and postgraduate students. Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital started in the year 2003 with an annual intake of 100 undergraduate students, now grown to a vast extent to reach the present capacity of 250 undergraduate students annually and 163 postgraduate students in broad specialties and super specialty departments. We thought this digital content will help them immensely in their preparation for exams and patient care experiences. The digital revolution is happening everywhere. So we thought Balaji Medical College also will join this digital revolution by the inauguration of this YouTube channel. The YouTube channel was conceived and produced by Dr. Mary Prabha and the various faculties of the department. I congratulate them for this venture. COVID pandemic, of course, hastened our entry into the online platform last year itself, because the classroom teaching was suspended last year due to quarantine regulations. But the classroom teachings have started this year also. But we thought this YouTube content will help the students, both postgraduates and undergraduates, in their preparation for exams. I congratulate all the team involved in the production of this YouTube channel and wish them all success in their new venture. Thank you.